Hello students and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn preposition. First of all, what is preposition? A preposition is a word that shows the relation between a noun or a pronoun and some other words in a sentence. Also, preposition is placed before a noun or pronoun. Here are three types of preposition. Now, I'll write all of three types of preposition. Preposition indicate, here we have three types of preposition. First of all, preposition of place. Next, we have preposition of time. Alright, last and third type is preposition of direction. These are three types of preposition, right? Preposition of place indicate or shows the the place of something, and preposition of time indicate or show the time of something or someone. Preposition of direction shows the direction of someone or something. Now I will write an example of preposition of place. Right? I have an example. Sam is standing against a wall. This is example of preposition of place. In this sentence, against is preposition, as it shows the place of something or someone, right? Now I will write an example of preposition of time, that is Ricky swims on Saturday. In this sentence, on is preposition, as it shows or indicate the time of something or someone. Now I will write an example of preposition of direction, that is Ricky is throwing a ball at them. Now in this sentence, the word at is preposition, as it is indicating or showing the direction of the ball. These are examples of preposition of place, preposition of time, and preposition of direction. Hope you guys learned something new and liked my video. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting. Bye bye.